everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to change your birthday on TikTok. In order to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. In order to change your birthday on TikTok, you'll need to go and tap open your TikTok application and sign into your account. Once you're in, go and tap on the Me button at the bottom right. This will take you to your profile. Now, click on the three dots at the upper right corner from your profile. And now from this page, scroll all the way down under Support and tap on Report a Problem. From this page, tap on Account and Profile. Tap on Editing Profile. And now, tap on Other. From this page, tap on Still Have a Problem. And now, in the text box, you can explain your problem and include a photograph of proof of your age. Finally, tap on Report, and all you need to do now is to wait for your TikTok support center to contact you. That is the only way you'll be able to change your birthday information on TikTok. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us.